So today I am at Robert A. Kinsley Nature Preserve off Chimney Rock Road, and I'm going to be going to an overlook called Buzzard's Roost. If I have time, I'll do Wildcat Bluffs. So we're on the York side of the Lancaster Conservancy area, and I watched Hiker Dude Dad's video, so I'll be using that as a reference to get here. It looks like it might be a mile from the parking area to get to the overlook, so we'll see if we get any fall colors as well. So like I said, I'm on Chimney Rock Road, Pelham Township, but I believe the trailhead is up there. There's a trail map. We're here. We're gonna head Yellow Trail to Buzzard's Roost and maybe to Wildcat Bluff. Some large pawpaw groves here off the Kinsley Trail. So after about a mile of walking, we came to Buzzard's Roost Overlook. So we're gonna be looking south on the Susquehanna. Man, these outstanding views. So just some crazy views up here at Buzzard's Roost. Like I said, not much color, but I mean, I've been seeing a lot of green, dull, and dry leaves so far. So some really, really good views up here along the Susquehanna. Beautiful day out. So here's the elevation marker for Buzzard's Roost. It says 846 feet. Colors like previous years, but there is some color down there on the right. But overall, it just looks green and dry. Buzzard's Roost in northeastern York County. Some great views of the Susquehanna. Now we're headed on the blue and yellow trail to hopefully find Wildcat Bluffs. So this trail has 2 overlooks. It should be less than a mile from here, but we will. Now we're heading down a steep hill to Wildcat Bluff. We're still on the blue trail. So we'll see how this view is. So we made it to Wildcat Bluff. So we'll see how this overlook is.
It's cool that we're close to the river this time.
Here's Wildcat Bluff. Not as good as the other view, obviously. And we're closer to the river, and it's a sheer drop down here. Wildcat Bluff on the Susquehanna. Looking out from Wildcat Bluffs. Like I said, took us about a little bit over a mile to get here from Buzzard's Roost, and it's gonna suck going back up.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So some good understory color here in the Robert Kinsley Nature Preserve area. I don't know. So that's it for my hike at Robert Kinsley Conservation Area. 2 good overlooks. Took me about 3.5 miles. Buzzard Roost being the best. Wildcat Bluffs, not that bad.